are back, and I'm again with Natalie, and we're going to show you a different outcome. So if someone did not have normal values, and we're going to be using a different form this time. Very similar. Here's the key. Again, the colors represent the monofilaments you're using, and we're going to be coloring in these sections of the hand. So for this, Natalie, going to have you lay your hand down flat. Make sure the hand's always supported too when you're doing this, because theoretically, the largest monofilament is this thick. So imagine if my hand wasn't supported and I was pressing down, that might cause adverse test results if I'm physically pushing her finger down. So that's why it's important for your finger to be supported when doing this test. Okay, so I'm gonna have you lay your hand down, and again, I'm gonna go through with my green and the less force, the least force, just, yeah, monofilament. Okay, going through.
Yes. Yes.
Remember, do it about 3 times and make sure it bows too. I'm gonna do the other side of digit 4.
Yes.
Okay. Can you feel that?
No.
No? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm gonna go back to digit 3. She could not feel it at the tip of this finger. So now I'm gonna go down to this section of her finger, P2. Can you feel that?
Mm-mm.
No? Now I'm gonna go down to P3.
Yes.
Okay, you can feel that at P3.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now I'm gonna reflect this onto this paper. So her left hand, she was green for these. And on her 4th digit, she was green. However, her middle finger, she was unable to feel it at P3. I think I misspoke when I said that. Unable to feel it at P3, unable to feel it at P2, but she could feel this force at P1, okay? So that means we're gonna move on to the next monofilament in line, which is the blue one. I'm gonna have you turn your hand over again and close your eyes. And now I'm gonna go down her finger, and I'm gonna see if she can feel this one.
No.
No? Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, you can feel that?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna just do this one just so you can see. You feel that?
Yeah.
Okay. And then this?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So now, because she could feel the blue at P2, I'm gonna take the blue colored pencil, color in that portion of her finger, okay? And now we still have this most distal part of her 3rd digit that does not have a threshold yet, so we're gonna keep moving on. So now I'm gonna do the 4.3 size monofilament. And for this one and the following heavier ones, you're only gonna press down 1 time on the finger, as opposed to 3 times for the lighter monofilaments, okay? So now I'm just gonna touch this distal portion of her finger, because that's the one that does not have it yet.
Yes.
Yeah, you can feel that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, because she could feel that, we're gonna fill this tip of her finger in purple. So now to read these test results, you can say that P1 of her 3rd digit is normal, and then P2 of her 3rd digit is diminished light touch, and then the tip of her finger, so P3, is diminished protective sensation of her 3rd digit. So you could say theoretically that her median nerve is being impacted based off of where has diminished sensibility and all that stuff. So yeah, and then just again, if she felt this more proximal, we would do the same thing with testing, and then we can always move further to use these heavier monofilaments. And you can even go into the hand like this, depending on where it is. And as you can see, this paper leaves sections for you to color in, depending on where on the hand she's feeling certain grams of force. So yeah, that is my monofilament test. And Thank you for watching.